Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Confirm the SIM is active and your Airtel plan using my Airtel or *121 hash. Once done, capture the exact 50 MB data warning message text and timestamps so you can identify triggers. Make sure notification and app permission settings are visible. This helps isolate whether the alert is network sent or app generated. Next, enable call and message logs and open the SMS app. This lets you test changes in real time and prevents wasting time on irrelevant settings. Now diagnose the origin. Read the sender ID. Numeric ID typically mean carrier-originated messages, while alphanumeric often indicate apps or services. Once you see the pattern, temporarily disable third-party apps that have SMS or notification access, then reboot and recheck. Make sure to inspect the default SMS app, the Carrier Services app, and the SIM Toolkit menu for automatic alerts. These can push balance notifications. If it's the carrier, record frequency. If an app, isolate it by re-enabling apps one at a time. To fix this, adjust alert preferences in My Airtel or within the carrier alert settings. Opt out of balance or promotional SMS when available. If the messages persist, block the specific sender ID in your SMS app or switch to a different default messaging app that filters unknown senders. Once done, test by triggering a low data event or waiting for the next scheduled alert. If things go wrong, contact Airtel support with the captured message text, sender ID, and timestamps so they can trace and remove erroneous alerts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.